Hello guys, so in this today's video we are going to see complete review about this awesome product called Coursesify, which is an amazing software that creates Udemy like academy and let you create and sell unlimited courses online and keep 100% of profit. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, it various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 free bonuses worth rupees $3,000 for you guys. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
It has never been easier to build and sell your course online, but with Coursesify it's easy and fast. Coursesify enables you to convert your knowledge into a passive income stream and allows you to create, sell, and deliver courses on your own branded academy website. And that's not all. If you don't have anything to teach, it also comes with 400 plus HD video training to start selling and making money right away. Coursesify gives you 100% control over your traffic, leads, and profits, which you could lose by selling your courses on other third-party marketplaces. It's an amazing platform and let anyone sell courses online in 3 easy steps. 1. Create a course. Add your video lessons, ebooks, and reports to create a course, or just choose from our 400 plus HD video pieces of training and 30 plus red hot niches to a quick start. 2. Add payment method. Add buy buttons of your favorite payment gateway to accept payments directly in your accounts. 3. Publish and profits. Publish your courses on your own academy marketplace and keep 100% leads and profits with no sharing at all. That's it. All hard work is done. Now just sit back and relax and watch your traffic and profits grow leaps and bounds. No installation, no designing, or other techie stuff. It's easy, fast, and built with love. With Coursesify, you can do much more. First, you can build pro-level and beautiful Udemy-like sites which have a professional marketplace with course listing, blog, members area, lead management system, and inbuilt ticketing system in just a few minutes. These are proven to convert sites to build you instant authority. You can sell your courses on your own branded marketplace and have full control on your business. And those sites are 100% mobile, social media, and SEO ready. You can create courses quick and easily, add unlimited video lessons, ebooks, and reports to create a course. Coursesify make it very easy to create courses on any topic in any niche right from the comfort of your home. Accept payments with your favorite payment gateway like PayPal and Stripe, or integrate with marketplace like JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, etc. Course progress bar for your students so that they can track the progress of the course they're perusing. Course completion certificate so that you can issue certificates to your students on completing the course. Even you can simply add a report and create a free course to build a targeted list in any niche. Want to generate more income? Turn your customers into affiliates with ready-to-use affiliate pages and promotion material. They sell and you make the profit. Generate unlimited leads by connecting your favorite autoresponder directly and mail them to double or triple the profits. Isn't it amazing? Yes, this is a state-of-the-art solution and I'm sure that you will love it. Lastly, you don't need to spend a single dollar on buying a domain or spend monthly on hosting. Everything is covered and runs on our ultra-fast cloud-based platform. And in case you ever get stuck, we'll always be here for you with our customer support. So, I hope you are thrilled with the premium features I just shared with you.